Focusing a standard pair of binoculars to match your vision requires two adjustments. One is with the focusing dial. The other is with the diopter ring. Depending on which binocular you have, the diopter ring is either on the right eyepiece or on the center focus dial. If the diopter is on the center focus dial, then you must pull it out to adjust it and push it back in to lock it. Adjusting the diopter allows you to compensate for the differences in vision between your eyes. This helps prevent eye strain and ensures a crisp, sharp image through both channels when focused. Step 1. Start by covering the right lens with the lens cap or the palm of your hand, keeping the left lens open. Step 2. Pick a clear, high contrast object about 100 yards away. Then, with both eyes open and relaxed, adjust the center focus wheel clockwise or counterclockwise until the object is in sharp focus. Ensuring the focus dial doesn't move, cover the left lens with the cap or the palm of your hand, keeping the right lens open. Step 4. Focusing on the same object, adjust the diopter ring clockwise or counterclockwise to bring the object into focus while keeping both eyes open and relaxed. Step 5. Remove the left cover and make sure the diopter is pushed in if you have a center focus diopter. Step 6. View the distant object through both channels and the image will be in focus and remain so as long as the diopter remains unchanged. Pro tip: if you share your binoculars in the field, you may want to mark your diopter setting with a permanent marker or nail polish. And that's it. To use in the field, simply turn the center focus dial clockwise or counterclockwise to sharpen your image.